The extra VO2 consumed after exercise by organs such as the heart and respiratory muscles. The heart muscle needs oxygen to sustain elevated heart rate and stroke volume. Respiratory muscles require additional oxygen also for elevated breathing rate and tidal volume. Gluconeogenesis is the metabolic process which organisms produce sugars for catabolic reactions from non-carbohydrate sources. It is used by athletes to maintain blood glucose levels, and it turns lactate into glucose. Eventually, cardiac output restores to resting level. Ventilation is restored to resting levels, and temperature is restored to resting levels. Muscle glycogen restoration. Prolonged low-intensity aerobic exercise, such as marathon runners, restoration can take days. High carbohydrate diet speeds up glycogen recovery rates of the process, and muscle cells that are most receptive to carbohydrates during the first 2 hours after a training session. Another way you can speed up recovery is if you consume 300 or 400 calories of carbohydrates straight after training session, and then another 300-400 calories of carbohydrates within the next 2 hours. An example of this could be a carbohydrate loaded drink immediately after exercise. Other strategies of recovery. The two strategies of recovery are massages and also an ice bath. A massage will reduce and help with reduce lactic acid because it helps to remove lactic acid, which eases the pain and the soreness that you have in your muscles after an event or training, and it helps the muscles to get rid of lactic acid. Ice baths decrease your body temperature and reduce muscle soreness by flushing out your waste products that you have created during the event or training.